Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. All right, y'all. So we got a lot of work today to do in the garden. So it's been really hot out. It's getting hot. It's the summertime. So what we're gonna do is I've already poked holes in these bad boys, and we're gonna put these underground, and these are gonna work as a I guess an irrigation system, you want to call that, right? And so this can go ahead and water the plants for me, at least slowly. So I have like, I don't know if you can see them, but there's like, there you go. See that little tiny hole right there? So I got those going along the sides. And then I have some tiny ones at the bottom. So I have a bunch of these scattered all across the garden, and we're gonna go ahead and dig some holes and put them in there. It looks like it's gonna rain, so, but you know, you can't never always trust that. It's been really dry lately, but it's supposed to rain. So I don't know if I'm gonna put water in them, but for sure I will do it at the end of the week. So come on, let's get into it. Yo, digging is such a freaking workout. Like, I just did like 4 bottles put 4 bottles in the ground, and I had to ask for help with the other 16. Like, I'm exhausted, and I still got some more digging to do, because my trellis, it needs the other side of it. It's covered now. Look at that. Super happy. Alright, you guys, so I got the trellises up. Well, I got the other side of it up. So what's gonna happen is this part is gonna go right on over there and hopefully fill all that up. So I'm gonna put some lattice branches on this side too, and so things can do what they supposed to do. Alright, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see it, but we got the top of the trellis going, and we got this side going. So stuck that in the ground, got some thin sticks for the top of it, and now look. Look at that, about to go down. Alright, so I want to do something with this. My tomato is starting to outgrow the thread that I already have on there. And I have another tomato right here that's in bloom. So I'm going to put something right here and get it threaded on this side too. So come on. All right, you guys, I don't know if you can see, but we got our first pepper. All right, you guys, so we're gonna give this a try. I think this is the banana peppers. Yeah, this is banana pepper. It tastes like it wants to give off heat, but it's not. Banana pepper, so good. All right, you guys, so I am done. I'm sweating, I'm sticky. The bugs won't stop bothering me, but we got a lot done today. I got a trellis up today. Well, I got a partial of the trellis up, which is done. Ooh. And then we put the water jugs in the ground for water. If it doesn't rain tonight in the morning time, I will definitely be filling the jugs up. And then we threaded the tomatoes, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. Well, I feel like I didn't do anything, but I did so much, and I'm tired, I'm sweaty, and you know, I think I got like a partial workout in, but I'm gonna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, annoyingasdidi. Peace, love, and shake butter, baby.